Hello there, beautiful people. So we're actually out again today. I meant to come out yesterday, but we had a little bit of a tricky day. So yeah, no, back out today, and we're going to do a bit more hunting around the garden. I have some exciting news that next Sunday I have a very, very cool permission that I'm having shared with me. So it's over in a place called Kingsbridge, and in the field next door there's a nice big castle, so should have some good finds there. But yeah, so next Sunday that would be, so fingers crossed I can edit it and get it all out on the same day. But yeah, but today we're off out, we're going to do a bit more hunting. Got a load of pegs out, considering it is, I guess, 36 degrees Celsius right now, which is almost 80 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's pretty warm, especially for the UK. So everything's really dried out, but I've got some pretty good signals, so we're going to go around and we'll see what we can find. Wish me luck, and I'll see you guys in the next bit. Just down here. So we have 70s, 50s, 30s, 40s, mainly 40s, 50s. Up into the 80s, so yeah, you can't turn that down. I mean, it sounds to me like a coin, or a copper coin, maybe. But yeah, so. Right there. Let's give it a go. Right, pop you down, a bit sweaty, so don't roll after me. And we got the big shovel out again today, so. We're up out in the woods because it's a bit too warm to be out in the sun, especially for the most part. A lot of the signals are out in the sun, but I thought I'd start over here. Flip you out, hopefully without you shattering too much. I see a ring of some description here. Oh, there we go, we've got it. Oh, check that out. So it's part of an old pocket watch, isn't it? Definitely. Look at that, that's pretty. Don't think it's gold or anything of the sort, but lovely jubbly. Right, I'll stop you here, but if I find any more of it, I'll let you know. Lovely jubbly. Right, off to a kicking start. On to another signal just over here off our path. Right, from this angle, it was pretty good. So it's 45, 50s, 40s, 60s, 50s, 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 60s. It's not very deep, so I'm guessing a recent coin drop. We will see. Just a little hunk of something. I don't even know what that was. I'm assuming it's just an iron thing. Right, on to the next. Probably have to cast a shadow on this, but we'll see. So we've got a signal just down here. 64, 68, 62, 58. Doesn't sound very deep. I think we might have it. Oh no, it's the shovel. Sorry about that. Right. That's more like it. Like it with the shovel actually works. One more. Oh, that's a big old clod. Seems slightly unnecessary, I think, because it sounded like it was right on the surface. Right, sounds like we're in the clod. And it's still very loud. You going coin? Right. A little bit on the side here. Right, I have to snap it. It's a bit big. Come on. There we go. Help. We heard it. We heard it. Where is it? Oh, I see it. We got a bit of green. We got ourselves Broken shank button, I think. Oh, excuse me. We got a bit of a pattern on there. Not a lot of it. Let's give it a rub on the t-shirt. Ooh. It's quite pretty. It looks almost quite old actually, isn't it? Lovely jubbly. Ah! Right guys, on to the next one. Signal down here again. 82, 93, 82, 82, 87, 77, 90, 86, 83, 86, 83, Belton. Give me all spy. Yeah, that's a cracking signal. My guess is, I know, 10p. I reckon a relatively new 10p piece. Oh. Oh my word. So that does it. Oh. Right. Oh. Let me move you back, although I'm going to have to be very careful because we're right by the little lakey rivery thing here. So, lakey rivery thing? Lakey pondy thing. Right. Oh, we're still in the 80s. There's a bit of 25s in there, but... Oh, rang in the middle. Oh my god! That's the second one! Oh yeah! Oh, you dropped ya. Well, it's not quite as pretty as the last one. We got ourselves another a silver thimble. Yeah, where's some shade? Right. Absolutely wedged full of soil, but... Oh, it's got the same sort of pattern on top. But it's clear on the outside. Pat 7. Whoa, sorry. Not sure. Oh yeah, oh god, pocket watch and a silver thimble. Hell yeah. Right, and the button, I'm not going to knock the button. Right, I'm actually sweating my bums off. Right, guys, on to the next. Another signal, but I couldn't get it to work again, so I'm going to probably come back to it another day. So you've got 80s and 90s in here. It's only a tiny little signal. $75 there, but we'll give it a go. We'll give it a go. You just never know. Gonna go a bit deeper though, because it was a small signal. Oh, there we go, that bit. That is quite the clod. It's worth a bit in a way, but I feel like that should have definitely done it. It was. I hope it's not just mineralised soil. Alright, 45, 40. We've got something. Yeah, it's a minute. What? Oh, I see it. Oh, it's pretty. It's got a bit of an old buckle there. I'll see if there's anything else around, because you never know, we might complete it, but yeah, you can see what's snapped off there. Lovely jubbly. On to the next. Go, we got a little bit more of it. I will keep in the hole, because if I can find it in my pocket, which I cannot. Yeah, we've almost got, is that it? Yeah, there you go. So, that's the other side, isn't it? Is it? Yeah, I don't know. We might have some more of it. We'll have a look. On to the next signal just down here. And this is sort of where we could be finding a lot of the junk, but 74, 54, 82, 70s, 60s, 80s, 30s. And a bit there. Oh. Right, let's give that a little go. Oh, it's a big old root there. Right. Oh, here we go. Got ourselves. Oh, it's a coin, I think. No, it was a button, maybe. It's a very, very bent one. I'm actually unsure until I clean it up. Sorry, shut that bit down there. Yeah, so I can't see where a shank was, but there's also not an awful lot on there. We'll clean it up and we'll have a look. Right, on to the down here. 85, 86, 83, 72. Almost sounds like that's silver. 94, 82, 83. The silver thimble. I'm going to move the shovel now. It's just a milk bottle top. Right, on guys, that is me, I'm afraid. Yeah, little on the warm side. Thank you all ever so much for watching and joining me today, and I'll see you guys in the next video.